This video is for Unit 4, Test Corrections, Problems 1, 2, and 3. Question number 1. Which graph shows a non-proportional relationship between x and y? A is proportional because it intersects 0, 0. C is proportional, and D is proportional. But B is not proportional because it doesn't intersect with 0, 0. So the correct answer for number 1 was B as in boy. Question 2 is asking for the slope and y-intercept as well, and it's based on days and how much the contractor made. So for 0 days, it tells you the contractor wants a down payment or an advance of $120. So the y-intercept is 120 because when x is 0, the number that is y will always be the y-intercept. And then I'm going to calculate. I'm going to do 1695 minus 120 to find out the y is counting up by 1495. And x, I can see, is counting up by 5. So it's the rate of y divided by the rate of x, which is equal to 1495, the rate of y, divided by 5. And the slope is 299. You can also enter this into the table in your calculator to find the answer. And you can pause the video if you need to. Question 3 tells you the back alley bowling charges $4.95 to rent a pair of shoes plus $7.50 per game. And it has the equation, the function of x or y would be $7.50 per game plus $4.95 for the shoes. So instead of looking at 4 tables, I'm going to make my own table. The values or variables are games and money. I know for 0 games it costs $4.95 because that's the price of shoe rental. And for 1 game, I would add $7.50 to my value, to my value for shoes, and I would get $12.90. And I would continue adding $7.50 for each game. So for 2 games, it would be $19.95, adding another $7.50. For 3 games, it would be $27.45. I think I have enough information to compare. For 1 game, Table A says $12.45, and I believe I made a mistake. That would be correct, $12.45. For 2 games, it says $19.95, which is also correct. For 3 games, it says $42.45. That's not what I get. So A would be incorrect. B says for 2 games, $12.45. That is correct. For 4 games, it says $19.95. Well, that's the value for 2 games. So since that value is wrong, B is wrong. C, 1 game, $12.45. 3 games, it says $19.95. Well, that's the price for 2 games. So C is incorrect. I could check all the values for D, and I would see that they would all fall on the table. So the correct answer for problem 3 was D as in dog. And looking over my tallies, only a few missed it. 8 out of 11 of you got that correct. So the answer was D as in dog. Pause the video if you need to check.